Huh. Mate, we are on a totally new track this time. I've never even thought to come down here. This is one crazy track. Fair bit overgrown, but we're getting somewhere. Oh, this bit's soft. So glad we put the tyres down. Well, we've made it. Look at this. Absolutely epic. This will just tell us whether we've got Taylor out here as well. It's a magical morning. Look at all those waves, man. This is definitely Mulloway country. The way these waves break. It's a hectic beach too, you could easily fall down. Hectic beach, so coming the back tracks was definitely the right way to go. Is there something for us here? Oh! Huge bite. I'm glad we made it here. It's a very unique spot. Yeah, we've still got it on. Something's tried to take it, but it's a beautiful fillet. Something's had a real go at that. I'm just gonna wrap that one back up. She's gone straight back out. So we're putting on some big gear. Oh! Oh! We're on! We're on! What have we got here? We're onto something decent. Oh, did he get off? No! He got off! Oh my gosh. You're joking me. Oh no. Oh, let's get this back out there. What was that? Felt decent. I think it was able to spit the hooks. That felt nice. That had big head shakes on it too. So whether it was a Taylor or our extra special friend that we're chasing, it's a good cast. It's one out, and we'll get this monster out over there because there's looks to be a bit of a hole there too. Dang, can't wonder what that was now. Oh, are we on here? Something was popping it then. be more activity on the right over here. The cast out so good. Right, now I feel like we're in the zone. Clicker on this is mint. Reasonable cast. The other one casts better. Can we still get the hook up? Is it too late? It's nearly too late. And then I reckon we'll try another spot tomorrow. Sound like a bloody lamb. Gone quiet now. Have we still got a chance? Or has the moment passed us? Go. Oh! Jeez. Oh! Whoa! That was a huge bite! And it zinged. It zinged and he let go of it. Mental, mate. Mental. Oh! Go, son. Oh! Both of them. Which one's going to go off? This spot will absolutely go off. They're definitely here at some point. I'll go back and have some brekkie and reload. What an epic morning. Couple of big zings, but still no hookups. First bait's out. Whole new spot. Those waves just look so big out the back there. Looks like reasonable patches of water. There's a big reef just there. Well, that's right near that reef. There's a reef right there, it's right near it, so it's good. Alright, keep an eye on that. Should start getting bites straight away. I think so. Feels weird. I feel head shakes. This feels really weird, mate. What could this be? Oh! Please be a mile away. Oh, what could this be, man? Oh, it looks like a shark. It's a wobby. We've got a wobbegong. Oh yeah, that tastes nice. I don't know if I'll keep it though. Wow, wobby bud. Can't even pull him up. Have you seen one before? He's a decent size. Nah, I'll chuck him back. No wonder it felt weird.
Have you ever caught one before?
Yeah, I've caught several. All that meat in their back is really good. You got to watch out for them though, because they're the only shark that can turn around 180. So if you think you've got it by the tail and it's not going to bite you, these guys can turn around and actually bite you still. Yeah. Let's go, Wobster. Oh, he's powerful. Look how much muscle he's got. Oh, he just spat the hooks just by rolling over like that. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. First up, got like a metre long wobby. He's fat, especially around his belly. There he goes.
Hey,
Right, let's get back out there. Looks like a bunch of seaweed, but there might be something next to it. Oh no, it might just be seaweed. He might have got off. Looked like you had something on then. Woo! Come on. Oh, how do they keep coming off? That was a genuine bite. That looked like a tailor to me. Bigger. This is what it can be like, Malay fishing. Endless hours of nothing. And all of a sudden, bam. All your wildest dreams are covered. Oh, we got a fish on. You guys are smart. It's a little, that's a cod. Reel it in more?
Are we keeping it?
Nah. Little cod there on the big fella. Nah.
You saw that, right?
Yeah. Unlucky, mate. Oh, look at that. And was that on the small bait or the big one?
Big one.
Oh, you need another big one. That is a monster whiting. You've absolutely killed it. Is that a King George?
No.
It's just a massive sand whiting. I don't think I've ever seen one that big, bro. That's the biggest I've ever seen. And you got him in his head as well. Only lightly. Woo! High five. Monster whiting. Well done, bud. There's a bit of weed there in there. Felt like they were bites though, so there still might be something small on the end. Yep, keep going. Just a little one. Ew. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Woo! Yeah, boy. I'll hold it real close. Look, it looks like it's a meatery. Whoa! All right, let's get you back in, little fella. We've got something on here. We've finally got a bait out amidst all this rain. Just keep it as tight as you can, that's the way, mate. Alright, he's getting closer. Just keep it tight. Oh, there's something there, I reckon. Keep going. Oh, it's a big norwest blowy. Look at that. Oh, bloody thing. Look at ya. Now we got rain coming, so doesn't look like we'll get one more out. Yeah, boy. That's a monster. Great hezzer. And now we might be on the other one. It's fighting. Oh, seaweed. Oh! It's a massive floodie! Oh! Get it up! That's a huge floodie! PB for Carter. That is a belter of a floodie! What do you reckon, mate? Cook him up tonight? What a floodie. Oh yeah, baby! Get it in, don't let the line loose. Oh! Oh! Oh, the hawk's joining in, he wants it. He's wanting it. No, oi! Oh, it's a big tailor. Yes! Look at that tailor, man! That's a PB tailor! Whoa! He's done it again! High five! Yes!
Big Taylor.
That's an absolute stonker. What do you reckon that is? 50?
Probably 40.
Woo! Absolutely stoked from the Elmo. Unreal. Last session of the trip. We've had an absolute beauty. What have we caught? Whiting, hezzers, wobbies, tailor, floodies. We've had an absolute beauty. Catch you on the next one.